Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 1/64 scale video. So today we're gonna open this Tarmac Works Toyota Hilux AXCR 2017 where you get the truck in a truck basically. I am not interested in this truck, I'm only interested in this truck. But what I'm scared of this is this is it's a Hobby 64, so it might not roll. That's what scares me the most. I guess we'll open and see. I haven't seen any videos on it being opened, so I don't know if it rolls or not. I really hope that it does. But I have some doubts. So I guess we'll see. Okay, so it comes in this cardboard box. Nice and easy. What is this? There's a card inside. Chassis number 394. That's a very low number, actually. So that's that. It comes in this very weird feeling, like wrap. I don't know, like it's so weird. It feels just a weird texture to it. Here's this truck. Well, this truck does roll, which I don't really care that this thing rolls. I am interested that the wow, that is so basic. Oh my god, it's like a whoa, that's weird. Interesting sound. That one doesn't do that. It's only this one in the back. I believe it's not supposed to do that. It's just the way I'm spinning the wheel so fast. I think that's why it's doing that. That's weird. These wheels are even plastic, so it's a full-on plastic car. It's all plastic. Like there's nothing die cast. Even the front, it's all like water stickers on it. I can even feel it. Maybe it's just a whole sticker. So it is so bad. Luckily, I don't want to keep it, so it's not going to be the worst. So it should open up. Okay, there it is. So this is how you open it. Take this easily off. I don't need that. So mainly interested in this, and I'm still very hopeful that it rolls. Oh, I think it does. I can feel the wheels turning. Oh, that will be so good. I just need to get it off. It should be very easy. Yeah. There it goes. Oh, I'll break anything. And that's where that goes. There's a screw. So you can easily just close that. For some who likes to collect Falcons, maybe this is a very awesome thing. As a toy, it's even very good. Like for kids, this is perfect, especially in the sand box. This is just perfection. Can easily open, put a car in there. I don't know. I have no examples. Well, this one, yeah. So you can put this, close it up, and just play around. I don't want to bump it out up in there. So there you go. That's that one, and I'll just toss these things in here because I don't really need them, but maybe someone will, or maybe I'll find somebody who wants this. So there you have it, that's that, and let's check out this. So it's not very heavy, so it's a plastic base, and it is a metal body, but it is heavily modified, as you can see. I don't know what the TRD part, I think that's supposed to say TRD there, and can barely make it out, so it's not very well done by Tarmac Works. And everything else, though, the design is just crazy. Got some tribal thing going on the roof. It's got the spare wheels, multiples. There's like 2 wheels in there. A winch in the back, which is right there. I think those are like ladders or something. I don't know what that is. Some kind of a bar. Oh, it's like a lift kit or something. I don't know. Got like a towing hitch in the back there. Exhaust. Got the TRD flaps. Like mud flaps and everything. The interior looks very well detailed, like the frame, the safety frame in there and everything. I am not sure what flags that's supposed to be there for the drivers. So somebody can maybe tell me that, because didn't look that up before this. So like I said, it has brake discs in there. Look at that. Wait, let me just see. It has brake discs in there, which is very cool. Okay, might have some rolling issues, but looks like it's gonna roll. I can't say even. Hopefully no issues. The back ones do spin. So yeah, there's your Falken tires. It's not the best roller. The wheels are getting stuck to something, but at least it rolls. So I'm actually happy for that. So it rolls. That it's not just a highly detailed model that is just has no functionality. Like the rolling part is very like important to me. The only company that I let give that a pass is Inno, because Inno is very expensive. At least in my country, it's very expensive, and I'm extremely picky on them. So I have had like 50-50 chance that the ones I usually get are rollable and some are not. But that's that. So yeah, pretty nice. Besides this thing is just cheap and is over. This is very expensive because of this. Like, I heard that you can get this truck separately, but I only found out that when I already had this. So there you have it, guys. If you are looking for this or were planning to get it, here's the like proof of that this thing on the base is all plastic besides the part that are holding the wheels, but everything rolls and the truck is like really amazing, but the bottom truck is not. But yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.